Hello tech warriors, welcome to Eassiy Official. Ever experienced that heart-stopping moment when your computer crashes and you fear losing all your precious data? Fear not, today I've got your back. Buckle up as we dive into creating a Windows 10 or 11 recovery disk, explore top-notch data recovery software, and unravel Microsoft's data loss prevention magic. Ready? Let's safeguard your digital universe. Recovery disk on Windows 10 and 11 first up. In the search box next to the Start button, type Create a recovery drive and select it. When the tool opens, ensure backup system files to the recovery drive is selected, then click Next. Connect a USB drive to your PC. It should be at least 16 gigabytes and empty, as the process will erase any existing data on the drive. Choose the USB drive from the list that appears, and then click Next. Click Create. The process will copy necessary files to the recovery drive, which might take some time. Once the process is complete, label the USB drive as the recovery drive and store it in a safe place. Now let's talk about recovery software and how to use them. First on the list, meet Eassiy Data Recovery, the hard drive deep scan recovery mode expert with a 98.6% success rate. Whether you're facing accidental deletions, formatting issues, or virus attacks, Eassiy is designed to retrieve your data from over 2,000 storage devices. It supports 1,000 plus file types, from documents to multimedia. Download and open Eassiy Data Recovery on your computer. The software will automatically detect all connected storage devices. Choose the drive from which you want to recover data. This could be an internal hard drive, an external USB drive, or a memory card. Click on Scan to start the scanning process. Eassiy offers two modes, a quick scan for a speedy search and a deep scan for a more thorough recovery. After the scan completes, you can preview the found files, select the ones you wish to recover, and click Recover to save them to a safe location. Next, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a robust tool designed to swiftly recover a variety of file types from different storage devices. Its intuitive preview feature ensures you regain exactly what you need, and it has a 99.7% success rate. It delivers powerful and reliable data restoration. Open EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard on your computer. Choose the drive or location where you lost your files and click Search for Lost Data. The software will begin with a quick scan followed by a deep scan to find as many lost files as possible. After finding, use the Preview button to check the files you want to recover. Select the files you need and click Recover. Remember to save them to a different location to avoid data overwriting. And finally, TestDisk is also a powerful open-source tool designed for recovering lost partitions and fixing non-booting disks caused by software issues, viruses, or human error. It supports a wide range of file systems and is available for various operating systems. To start TestDisk on your computer, run testdisk win.exe if you're using Windows. Then select Create to make a new log file. Choose the disk you want to recover from the list. Select the partition table type, usually Intel for Windows. Then choose Analyze to start scanning the selected drive. Use Quick Search to find lost partitions. If necessary, select Deeper Search. Finally, save the recovered partition structure or proceed to recover files. Microsoft DLP helps organizations protect sensitive data by identifying and preventing its unauthorized use or sharing. It monitors data across various locations and enforces policies to ensure compliance with regulations. This is a technology that helps prevent data leakage. Understanding DLP can help you manage and secure your data effectively, making sure that what's private stays private. In conclusion, there are three main data recovery software options. Eassiy Data Recovery has a 98.6% success rate and recovers data from various devices and file types. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard also has a high success rate and a preview function. TestDisk is a free open-source tool that can recover lost partitions and fix disks. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay informed by subscribing to our channel. Also like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.